Which of the following statements are true about structured data in a spreadsheet? Each observation must have its own row. Yes, it is correct. Each variable must have its own column. Also correct. For each variable, the same type of value for each case is recorded. Yes, also true. For each case, the same type of value for each variable is recorded. Yes, it's also correct. For each case, the same type of value for each variable. No. For each case, the same type of value for each variable is recorded. I think it's correct. What kind of data is lyrics of a song? That is unstructured data. Okay. So let's check all of these. Move ahead. Data is collected from people of every family living in a locality. The collected information is first name, second name, income, height, weight, blood group, house address, locality. Which among the following collected data is or not a variable? First name is a variable, second name variable, not it is a cases. Income variable, height, weight, blood group variable, house address is also variable, locality. Data is collected from every family living in a locality. Locality is also not a variable, and I think first name, second name also is not a variable, it is a cases. Okay, we will check in the end. The value of a temperature and relative humidity of a room are measured for 24 hours. Starting at 9 am at time interval of 30 minutes. What are the cases and variables for this data? The value of temperature and relative humidity of a room measured for 24 hours. Starting at 9 am. A time interval of 30 minutes. What are the cases and variables for this data? Okay, the variables is temperature, relative humidity, and cases is 9 am, 9:30 am. Let's say, what is the option? What are the options? Temperature is the case, relative humidity and time are the variable. No. Temperature is the case. No. Time is the case. Temperature and relative humidity are the variable. No. Relative humidity is the case. Temperature is the variable. No. 9 am, 9:30 am, 10 am are cases. Time, temperature and relative humidity are variables. Yes, it is. Which of the following are examples of unstructured data? Web pages, video files, reports, image files, phone number, email address. Example of unstructured data. I think web pages unstructured, video files unstructured, reports no, image files unstructured, phone number unstructured, email address is not unstructured. I think we will check it then. Which of the following statements are true? All the structured data have units. No, not required, not necessary. Comments in a social media platform are structured data. False. Unstructured data cannot be used directly to perform statistical analysis. Yes, this is true. Mathematical operation can be performed on unstructured. Oh, it's not true. In a survey, art students are asked to mention their favorite artist and the amount of time they spend in painting outside the classroom. The data collected are given in table. David, male, favorite artist Amrita Shergill, amount of hour 4. Okay. Based on the data in table, answer the following 3 questions. Is the data given in table structured or unstructured? Favorite artist, amount of time, gender. It is structured data. Identify because we can infer some information from this, so it is structured data. Identify the variables and observations from the data set. What is the variable and observation? Name is an observation. Name, no, not variable. Name, gender, amount of time, and favorite artist are variable. Name, gender, amount of time, favorite artist are variable. Student and name are variable. Student and name. Each student is an observation. Yes. Choose the correct statement from the following. Statement 1. Amount of time Akash spends on painting is 0 hour. Akash. Not. And we cannot make any conclusion about Akash because data is not available to us. First one is wrong, second one is right. Both statements are correct. Statement 1 is correct. No, statement 2 is correct, but statement 1 is not correct. Okay, let us check how much correct answer are there. Oh my god, it is 6 by 9. 3 answers are wrong. Let us check. Let's check what are the. No, the answer is incorrect. Each observation must have its own row. Each variable must have its own column. And for each variable, the same type of value for each case is recorded. Is it right? But for each case, the same type of value for each variable is recorded. This is wrong. How I can put this right? So sad, man. This one is correct. This one is wrong. Accepted answer locality. The question is which among the following corrected data is not a variable? Locality is not a variable. First name, second name is a variable, and it is a variable, not cases. Cases is Ram, Shyam, Sonu, Manu, like this. First name, second name is a variable. Locality is not a variable because it is same for the same locality people. Okay, this is right. This is wrong. Here, unstructured data is web page, image file, video file. Phone number is not unstructured data. It is a structured data. We can infer some information from this. Now all are corrected. Okay, let's check again. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.